Hey, boo. You ready? What are you watching? You ready to go? Alright, you have your booster. You're gonna need your booster for field trip.
Mommy.
Booster for field trip. You don't have a field trip.
I do.
She needs her shoe. You have a okay, green shirt. Green shirt.
Yeah, where am I going?
To the field trip. You're gonna go sing to the old folks. Okay? Is this face clean? Or is it just dry? You need lotion? I need to get lotion on you. Her shoe and her socks is in the truck from the other day. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Today is Vlogmas day 4, I think. I have to run to the store today and then also for this little one. What else do I have to do? I have to go pick up dinner from Wally World. This is where I got this little green jacket from. It is so cute. You guys better not sleep on Walmart. So I got to go there. And what else do I have to do? I feel like I'm missing something else. Gotta go drop off these little ones. And I will catch up with you guys in a little later. Bye, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go.
He said bye, guys.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come, I gotta pick you up. It's cold. I do. Oh, open this. Open the truck door. Open the truck. Thank you. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go load up this little one in here and get out of here. Hopefully, I get back before 10. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say welcome to Vlogmas. I like these. This color. This is Be Merry. It's cute. And then I like the back. Because I have something like this. Ray done. The back of it is like that. So I like this. And then I love this. This is pretty. This is pretty for like a little girl's room. Or on your sofa. But this is nice. I have these for her. This is $14.93. I like this one. This is cute. Come on, me. Come on. They also have these Sherpa, which I'm thinking of getting one of these for. It's $8.88. I'm thinking of getting the kids one each for downstairs when we hang out downstairs because they're always hogging my blankets. And this is a different one. This is a sweater fleece throw. But come here. I bought Destiny one like this last year. She still has it, but these are the Sherpa ones, and I like those.
Mommy.
Yes, Lil. So Walmart has these little picks and stuff. There are $1 or is it 97 cents, and you can use these to fluff up your garland on your mantle. You just stick them in. So you can stick that in to make your garland a little full on your mantle. You're being a brat right now. So we're in Walmart and I have to get detergent because I didn't budget it in. So I'm gonna get the cheapest thing that they have, which is $4.98. It's $4.98 and it's $1 off now. So I'm gonna pay $3.98 for it, and 12 free modes, $108, $128, and $1 off. One extra. So we're gonna get this guy. Ooh, I keep getting shocked. Ooh, that one has OxyClean. But it's only, that one has, this one has oxycodone. 108. 108 loads. This one is 128. So I'm gonna go with that one. What else do I need? We're gonna go pick up dinner and get out of here because the toddler is cranky. So here I go. What's here, Maddie? My vacuum's here. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Let's open this bad boy up. You ready to open that?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready? Ready? There you go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I don't know if I should open it right now because I only have 45 minutes before I have to go pick up 2 of my kids. But this little one is excited. She's a hot mess. She's excited for it. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I've wanted a Dyson for so long. But I was like, I don't want to get it when it first come out because then it's gonna be like. So I was like, let me wait till they, you know, perfect it more and more. So I was like, this is the time to bite the bullet. So let's see if this $700 vacuum is worth it. Right? We're going to see if this is worth it. So let's open this bad boy and see if it was worth the splurge. So I'm excited. Okay, I dumped it all out on the floor. I didn't want to ruin the box, but then I'm like, I'm gonna trash the box anyway, so I guess this is the wand. Let me just go set this up and then show you guys what it looks like. It's off. What is it? Is there anything else in the box? Okay. Alright, so you give it to me and I'll hold it. So we get the little flexi tool. Oh, what else? Then we get the little, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. So this is. It's finished. Nothing else in this box for the toddler. What's that one? You unbox that one, okay? Okay, you unbox that one. Can you open it? Can you open it? Can you do it? We have this little tool right here. I don't know what it does. I don't know what it does. Oh, you need some help? Okay. I'll help you. So you gotta take this guy out. Right there. And right here. Oh, this is the big brush head. So that's the big guy. Anything else, Madison? Oh, that one? Okay, you go ahead and open that one. I'm gonna open this one. And this just has a little, I don't know what that is. And then, oh, so well packaged. I guess that's why it's worth $700. I don't know. You want to open that? Okay. Well, how about I just do the whole thing? You need so much help opening stuff. I don't even know what I just opened. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what half the stuff is for, but hey, it comes with it. And then we got this little guy. Again, I don't know what half this stuff is for. I guess this extends. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. Okay. Is it me or is it just... I seen a bit. Oh, okay. I got it. Okay. Okay, no. No, no, no. It's not a toy. Put this in the box for the trash.
Okay, Mommy.
What else? What's in this little box?
Huh?
Oh, I don't know what this is for, but it's cute. Another instruction. More little pamphlets. I don't know if I should keep these. There's a bunch of them. I don't know if I should keep them. Ooh, more stuff. I guess this is the mountain thing to mount it to the wall. So it's just like that. And then more pamphlets. What is it? Oh, that's the bad boy. Okay, I don't think there's anything else. So let's just clean up as we go so we don't misplace anything without the excitement. I know it fit. Put it in there. You got it? You got it? Okay. Oh, this has a little clip thingy. I guess you clip it onto the vacuum. Oh, the vacuum. It's the bad boy. Thumbnail. I guess it's the other way. Ooh. Thumbnail. No, that's an ugly thumbnail. No, we can't do it. Okay. Alright, so I think that's it. Alright. Alright, move that out the way. So we get that. Get all the pamphlets over here. Get the charger. All those tools. Now let's see what color the wand is. So my husband picked it.
Mommy.
I'm not sure. I think this is the red one. I think it's the red. Ah, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. It's like a matte. It's almost like a matte, shiny. It don't even know what it wants to be. So I'm going to set this up. So I think you get the head. And you... Oh, there you go. And then you slide this. Ooh. Okay, let's go clean. All right, so, oh my gosh, it's telling me to charge it. If you guys can see that, it's telling me to charge it. Oh my gosh, this rug is dirty. Oh my gosh.
In 100 years, a handsome prince will rescue you.
I'll be that handsome prince. Grandpa Pig, may I borrow your pruning shears?
Ding dong, ding dong ding dong. That is their song with joyful ring. All caroling, one seems to hear words of the cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they come, raising the sound, going and down, telling the tale. Gaily they ring, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas, merry, 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 merry Christmas, merry, 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 merry.
I said you need to fix your boy.
Who?
Jason. His English.
Mikey, you fix your English.
I do.
Let me go into some really good lighting up in here. Come again, Jordan. Say it again, Jordan. Jordan, say it again.
I said you need to fix your boy. He is a boy, right?
Oh,
No, that's not what I meant.
somebody better come get Jordan up out of this house before.
Okay, let's go. Let's get that down.
Yeah, please get him out of my kitchen before he gets
Here we go.
No?
You stay outside. No one wants you in here.
Okay.
I need to fix my boy.
Outside now.
I know it's not the tone. Maybe I'm just getting old and I don't know the lingo of the I don't know the slang. I need to fix my boy.
Homeschool.
Is he talking about I need to fix my child? Is it a new language he picked up in school? That he thought he could just bring it up in here in my house? In my house? Talk about I need to fix my boy? My boy as in my own boy? Like, first of all, Jason is not my boy. He's not my homeboy. He's not nothing. I gave him I'm not laughing. So you might want to take that smile off your face.
Take it off.
Really? And you might shut up. You need to zip it. Because I'm not joking.
Okay.
Alright? Let me go take care of this little situation off camera before Rob come up in here and find everybody just laid out on the floor, because I don't do lingos. I don't do disrespect. You ain't gonna come up in here disrespecting nothing, thinking you all cute. No, we don't do that. So I'm gonna go fix a homeboy over there, and then I'll be back to let y'all know how it went down, okay? So folks, Jordan survived. Jordan survived the situation. So update on the vacuum. Don't mind my hair. I'm in the process of putting it back up. Put my twisters in and stuff. I took it down because I was getting a headache. I was getting a little headache from my hair being pulled, like snatched. But update on the vacuum. It is 95% charged now. I don't know. It's 95% charged, so Merry early Christmas to me, I guess. Rob's over there watching movies with the kiddos over there. It's like 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Vlogmas Day 4. This is the original Vlogmas Day 4. What you guys saw, the whole, nighttime routine, hair routine situation that went up. I was just bored last night, and I just threw something together and just threw it up. I was like this close to deleting it, but then I was like, why not? Take a risk, take a chance, and lo and behold, someone hated it. So I'm like, you're stepping out your comfort zone when you got haters. So I'm just like, so like, bye, Ray. But anywho, I'm gonna go put my hair up, hop in the shower. Well, Destiny gotta hop in the shower before me, because I'm gonna let her hop in my shower. So I'm gonna have the little one, the little girl, hop in my shower, and then do my whole situation. This is not what I started the thing with. It says wine, dogs, and weekend, which is like now my life. This is not the outfit I started the vlog with. I just like to be comfortable. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching day 4. This is the original day 4 of Vlogmas. Hopefully next week it will start pick up. I'm going to show you guys how I do my hot cocoa bar, how I set that up. I have some contents coming that will be, a little bit more fun to watch than this, but it's just to get me rolling. You know what I mean? I'm rambling. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I'll catch you guys on day 5, the original day 5, which is gonna be day 6. But anyways, bye guys.